Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the coolant in your Audi Q3. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Gather all your necessary tools, including a large drain pan, a funnel, and the correct Audi-approved coolant. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves for protection. It's a simple step that keeps you safe. Now, let's get to draining the old coolant. First, locate the radiator drain plug, which is typically found at the bottom of the radiator on the passenger side. Position a large drain pan, capable of holding at least 2 gallons, directly underneath the plug. Carefully open the drain plug and also remove the coolant reservoir cap to ensure a complete and steady flow of the old fluid. Once the old coolant has completely drained, close the radiator drain plug securely. Now, fill the system with distilled water through the reservoir for a thorough flush. Start your engine, turn the heater to its highest setting, and let it run until it reaches normal operating temperature. This circulates the water. Then, drain the distilled water. Repeat this step if the water still appears discolored. With the system flushed, it's time to refill with your new Audi-approved coolant mixture. Fill the reservoir to the max line. Start the engine again with the heater on high to help bleed any trapped air from the system. Keep an eye on the coolant level as the engine warms up and air escapes. You may need to top it off slightly over the next few drives to maintain the proper level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.